Alright guys, so today we are installing a Injora steering wheel, one-handed steering wheel adapter I would call it. And it's going to be on a Redcat Gen 8 controller. So it doesn't show application for this, but I made it work. So it's going to entail taking the rubber off the steering wheel, putting this guy on, and then got to add a long screw here, and this the rubber tire, if you will, grip is going to have to be trimmed down to fit on whatever area is left. So here we go, we're going to start and we're going to pull this rubber off the steering wheel there. Okay, set that off to the side and take this guy out of the wrapper. Got that piece there. Directions, couple screws. We don't have the long one we need. I've got mine on the road supply, so I should have what we need here in the ring. So it took a little while to figure this out on the first one, but the nice thing is I could just look at this one here and just repeat what I got going. Here's your directions if you want to see them. So we're gonna have to stretch this guy out a little bit. Right now. Close up. If we wedge it just a little bit. Okay. Might be on something here. Might have to take this off. Okay, there's a little screw there. Okay, get the handy dandy screwdriver. We'll take that screw off. Yes, no, maybe so. No. Okay, there we go. All right. So then we're going to further attempt to spread this out. Okay. So let's mirror what we got here. Oh, sorry. All right. It's gonna go that way and that way. Okay. So we're just gonna kind of pry that with the pliers. And there, get that on there just like that. Okay. Then we're gonna have to clock it that way. So it's looking a lot like this here. Okay. And we're gonna install it back on. Okay, just like that. And we're gonna slide the deal as far to the, might as well put the screw in. We're gonna put this little screw in. That. We gotta make this tight so we don't lose it, but not so tight we strip it out. Okay, that's good. All right, and then we're gonna slide this over as far as we can towards the controller. So we got room for the grip, okay? That's plenty right there. All right, so now we're gonna take this out of the package. Then on this one, looks like we went this way. That. Okay. We're gonna use the fasteners that came with. Move these out of the way for now. Okay, we'll drop these out. So we're gonna need these screws first. Then we're going to just mirror what we had with the other one. Light to the subject and okay. All right. So this one comes up just to clear this handle here. Okay. And the way I've got this set up is grab it here, push that way, grab it there, push that way. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do the same over here. Right, just tighten that down. Just a point where it'll clear. Okay, let's try that. Close. it down just a little bit. A little more. Okay, now I get full sweep while driving. Okay, now we need a long screw. Just gonna pour these right out. See if we can find the one we need. Looks like that's the guy right there. Yes, sir. Just gonna tighten this one on there. Okay, we're snug. Move up, we move down, up, down. Okay. So now we gotta take this guy here and trim it down. Take our handy dandy scissors and get an idea of how much we need to take off. Not very much. So we're just gonna trim it a little bit. These are the 99-cent scissors you get at Harbor Freight. They work really well, last a long time, stay sharp. Okay, let's see if that's enough. Probably take a little bit more off. Here. Okay, let's stick this on. And take just a little bit more off. Okay, let's shove it on and see what happens. Do we have a winner? I think we have a winner. Very close. Okay, it's not super beautiful inside here, but no one's ever gonna look at that. I think it's great. And okay, there you have it. Installation of an Injora. Steering wheel thumb control on a Redcat Gen 8 remote. I would imagine it's a RCR-2CE remote Redcat. It's got this there, so that's what that looks like. And that's the one. Okay, guys. Now we got matching controls. I have to adjust it down just a little bit. Yep. Give her a quick fine tune. What does that look like? That looks pretty good right there. Yeah, that's better. Gonna zip that back down. Just look at that, double check these guys. Good. Good. Double check this one here. Yeah. Good. Good. This one doesn't even have a screw holding it on. That's weird. Weird. You don't have to get a screw for it. Alright guys. There you have it. Thumb controls on both the Redcat remotes. Thanks for watching. Like if you like. This helps. If you want more content sent your way, then go ahead and subscribe to us, and we'll send you one every time it comes out, and notification possibly. And have a great day. Thank you for watching.